here. Today I have some gift mail that I got from a fellow YouTuber, and it's a total surprise. I had several packages. I have no idea what's in them, but we're gonna open it all together. If you want to see what I got, I think it was from Galentines and for my birthday, but we're gonna find it out together. So just stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, handbags, all the things that we love to treat ourselves with. And I'm getting treated today by my lovely amiga, Camo Chica Laura. She is a fabulous friend. We've been friends here on YouTube for a couple years now, and we like to surprise each other with little gifts here and there. And she sent me a message that she had sent me some items for Valentine's Day, and then my birthday was coming up. Came all together at the same time, and I thought I would just unwrap them all at the same time and see what we have, and it's a total surprise to me. So I've gone ahead and opened the box slightly of everything, but I don't know what's in what and what goes where. But we're gonna figure it out together, and hopefully if I don't know, she can message me and let me know what all it is. But they're all surprises. So I know two things are from Amazon directly because I got them from the Amazon packaging, but then I have one box of just all sorts of random things that came directly from Laura. I'm so sorry, Pickles is really just freaking out over there. So let's open the Amazon, I think, first items, because that's the ones on top. So they came, one came Amazon gift wrap like this, and then one's just in the Amazon package. So let's go that route. So let's go with this one. This is funny because I had gotten something else from Amazon gift wrap like this, and so I know that they do the gift bags, but the one I got from Jack's Bag Attack for Galentine's didn't have any tissue paper. But this one does, so I'm intrigued now how they do things at Amazon. Everything's different with everything you buy, I guess. I'm gonna assume. So a little bit of tissue. There's a big bottle of stuff in here. Glamorous wash. It's the Diva Glamorous Wash. Tyler Candle Company. Embrace life, embrace fragrance, embrace luxury. We're not shy when it comes to fragrance. Oh, okay. Interesting. Made in Tyler, Texas. Laura's from Texas. I don't know where Tyler is, though. I need to figure out. So I used to live years ago, 1996, as a matter of fact, in West Texas, Hereford, Texas. Previous life, previous marriage, not exactly the best time of my life. I don't talk about it very much, but I was in Texas briefly. But yeah, so I know Amarillo, I know Lubbock, I know El Paso, I know that whole side of the Texas, but I don't know a whole lot of the other parts of Texas. Okay, whoa. This one has some little bolitas in it. Dryer balls. Okay. I have a lot of pug glitter all over me at any given time, so maybe these will help me with that problem that I tend to have with a lot of hair. So I will. Hi, Mamita. Do you go? You want up? Both Dolly and Pickles are fascinated. You want to smell them, Mama? Smell good? Yeah, they do. It's not food, though. Yeah. Yes, I know. What good presents. So that we can smell better. And all of our clothes. Yeah. It will be good. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Well, let's keep going, huh? Let's open the cajita. All right. So we are going into this. I'm going to leave it down here because $1 in the way now. Got a, well, no, I'll pick it up. I got a big box. with lots of stuff in it. And we're gonna go just pick in here and see what we got. Covered in tissue paper. I'm just gonna start reaching in because it's easier. Little pinata. Oh, it's for the girls. A puppy pinata dog toy. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Does it squeak? It's crinkly. Oh, mija, look. Good mamita. You think it's fun? You gonna chew on that? Yeah, you look at it. Okay. Well, let's wait. You can have it for later because you just got a new toy. Yeah, it's fun, huh? I say gracias, Laura. And I got a letter to read after I open my gifts. Okay. It's stuck to this one though. Okay. I'll read that. I won't open this one. I'll do this at the very end. Mute right there. Stay. I have a card. Mama, don't go in there. Okay, this is my birthday. This is for my birthday. A little card. That's probably how many, no, that I need probably 3 times that candle. Oh, poor Laura. I can barely write. She fell on one of her trips and a cruise. And unfortunately, she was in a cast for a while. I'm not sure if she's out of her cast or not. I can't remember if the last video I saw, I didn't see her in one. I think she just got out of it. But it doesn't matter the amount of candles on your cake. 50. A lot of candles. A lot of candles. So it's yeah. We're getting up there in age. So it doesn't matter how many. We're young at heart, right? Beauty is found within, beautiful as a rose. Looks like a Beauty and the Beast. Never seen so many books in all my life. Books are a girl's best friend. Let's see what all this is. A cell phone lanyard, huh? Okay. Awesome. And a back scratcher, which I need. And a little Mamas. You gotta sniff everything, huh? Knock it all over. All the time. Ooh, a little ring. This is pretty. It looks like the Tiffany ones. This is so pretty. Damn, girl, you know my size. As I'm cussing. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it. What else did I miss in there? Oh, I knocked it over. Back scratcher. I said it was a lanyard, right? Let's open it up. Oh, nice. Like Chanel. Cool. All right. Okay. There's a lot. There's a lot here, so we gotta keep going. It'll be an hour-long video. Oh, we got snacks. We got snacks. Sit. Okay. Let me grab these out just quickly. Eat these together. I can see them here. Texas Heat Trail Mix, Sweet and Sassy Trail Mix from H-E-B. That's the grocery store down there, right? Nice. Cajun peanuts. This is going to be delicious. You can't have them, mamas, but they look delicious. Pickles looking at me like, what do you mean I can't have them? We're hungry. Yes, I know. We're hungry. I see Hello Kitty, my favorite little muñequita. Oh, dipping sticks with candy powder. That's awesome. I gotta fill up my background. That's awesome. More treats. Strawberries and cream, white chocolate, macadamias. Oh, so much good Oh my God. Delicious. I say that whenever the girls eat their dinner. I say, is it delicious? And they're looking at me like, it is. It's delicious. Okay, we got a couple of bottles. Something. Okay, then. Salsas. The Salt Lick original barbecue sauce like no other from Driftwood, Texas. This sounds delicious. And we're going to do barbecue pork ribs tonight. All right. We're still going. All right. There's that one. And some rub. Yum. All right. Dang. My mouth is watering now. So delicious. There's still more. Good Lord. When's it going to end? I'm grateful for all of it. You're spoiling me. It's a lot. And I'm very thankful for it. Oh, okay. Some more of the diva stuff. Glamorous sachet. Box includes 4 reusable glamorous sachet. It's a really pretty scent. Maybe reused to fragrance and soften up to 8 loads of laundry. It's so pretty, the packaging too. Just love it. I'm trying to keep it all so I can keep it visible. I want to make sure I get everything. Okay, I think I got everything. Oh, everything's better in Texas. That's awesome. I love reusable bags. Yes, so I lived in this part of Texas when I was there. That's so fun. In the Panhandle. Love it. Last 2 things, yes. What is this? This looks so cute. Nutmeg with grater. Oh, fun. And what's this little? She has a tortuga. It's so cute. Did you make it? It looks like you made it. It's so pretty. Aww. That's so cute. I love it. I love purple. That's so pretty. We've got a few more. A pen pouch for notebooks and journals on an elastic band. So, so it closes up your agendas and stuff. That's awesome. I've never seen one that wraps around. That's really cool. If you're looking for something like that, that's really awesome. Gracias. And Tentacle Tech Suction Phone Mount. Oh, that's interesting. I'm always dropping my phone too, so that's awesome. Filming, streaming, selfies, tutorials for makeup. Well, there we go. I can start doing stuff in other places besides mounting on one of those tripod thingies. That's awesome. And a cable protector. Oh, what's this one? Oh my God. It's the other, My Melody. There she is. Yeah, Hello Kitty was always my girl. I remember My Melody at Sanrio too. And there's this Japanese store up north of us that I go to, and they have all of the characters. So I've seen her around. She's really cute. Did I miss anything? Hopefully I didn't miss anything. There's one right after you. Open the gifts. Oh, there's still more. There's still more. This is really cute, the little bags and things. They all coordinate. I don't know where you got all the stuff. There's a lot. I love it all, but there's a lot. More stuff from Tyler. Tyler Candle Company, Glam On Demand, Linen and Room Spray, Odor Eliminator. Yes, thank you. You read my mind. I've needed it. So that's something I'm gonna say. I love my little mijitas, but sometimes there's a little, you know, you get the pug smell and it's just a little bit much. So you kind of need this for, you know, there's only so much the perfume can do, right? So this is some odor eliminator, you know, on the couch, that kind of thing. And I've bought tons of stuff at like Amazon and the like. Auto air freshener. It tells you all the things that we're all about, the glam and all the things. I'm gonna assume this is private, so let me look at this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, just telling me all about the gifts and what they mean and how they mean and all the things. So this was such a good surprise. I mean, I can't express enough how much being part of this community about doing this has changed my life for the better. I was really scared to do YouTube at first for a long time, and you know, I'm just not a very open person, so doing this was was hard, you know. So the last few years of doing this has helped me become a little less shy. It's helped me progress in my career, in my normal everyday life, but more importantly, it's helped me meet people that I never would have met in any other method. So I'm incredibly grateful for the few friends that I've met through this platform, the chats, the get-togethers, the, you know, text messages, just comments down below, all of those things. I can't express enough how much joy they bring, things like this, how much they mean to me, especially at this point in my life. So, muchas gracias, amiga. Te quiero mucho. Y I'm gonna cry. I will see you all next time. Yeah, I'm gonna go wipe these off. So thank you for being a part of everything, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.